They aren't just pricing you out. They are deleting you. In 2019, if you walked into a sales office in Bangalore or Gurgaon, 40% of the inventory was affordable, under 40 lakhs. Today, that number is 17%. You didn't miss the bus. The bus was scrapped. For 30 years, the script was simple. Study hard, get a job, buy a house. In 2026, that script is a suicide note for your finances. You think you are the customer? No. To the builders, the banks, and the government, you are the exit liquidity. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how the trap works and give you the only mathematical escape route left. Let's look at the math they hide from you. Developers realized something crucial in 2024. It costs the same amount of steel and cement to build a luxury tower as it does a budget tower. But the profit on luxury, it's double. So, they simply stopped building for you. This created the stretch trap. You wanted a 50 lakh home. It doesn't exist. So you are forced to buy an 80 lakh home you cannot afford. You stretch your EMI to 60% of your salary. You think you bought an asset? Wrong. You just signed a 20-year indentured servitude contract with the bank. And the moment you sign, the second trap opens. The government says inflation is 5%. That is a lie. Actually, it's a statistical trick. The official number is based on things you barely buy. Cheap grain, subsidized fuel. But look at your basket. Private healthcare? Up 14%. School fees? Up 12%. Rent in Tier 1 cities? Up 18%. Your personal inflation rate isn't 5%. It is closer to 15%. Do the math. If your boss gave you a 10% appraisal this year, congratulations. You just became 5% poorer. This is the silent tax. And it's not just the big bills. It's the convenience tax. Zomato, Uber, Netflix. In 2016, these were luxuries. In 2026, you call them essentials. But they are bleeding you dry, 200 rupees at a time. I want you to pause this video and look at this list. Really look at it. If you answer yes to more than 2 of these, you are technically insolvent. You are one medical emergency away from zero. And the banks know it. Take a screenshot. Send this to your partner. You cannot fight a war if you don't know you're losing. So, how do you fight a system that is designed to delete you? You don't fight it. You exit it. Step 1 is what I call the sovereign shield. In 2024 and 2025, central banks bought more gold than at any time in the last 50 years. Think about that. The people printing the paper money are frantically trading it for yellow metal. Do they know something you don't? But don't run to the jewelry store. That's a trap. Making charges and wastage will eat 20% of your wealth instantly. You need pure exposure. Sovereign gold bonds or physical bullion bars. No chains, no rings, just raw store of value. This isn't an investment. It's insurance. You aren't trying to make money with gold. You are trying to stop your money from melting. Allocate 15% of your portfolio here, today. Step 2 is the hard money hedge. They hate this one because they cannot print it, they cannot debase it, and they cannot confiscate it if you hold the keys. Bitcoin. I'm not talking about crypto or meme coins or gambling. I'm talking about the only asset in human history with a mathematically fixed supply. While they print trillions of rupees, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. In 2026, you don't buy Bitcoin to get rich quick. You buy it to opt out of their inflation. Even a 5% allocation creates a firewall around your wealth. If the system breaks, this is your lifeboat. But saving is defense. You need offense. The third step is income arbitrage. Stop earning in the same currency you spend. This is the cheat code for the Indian middle class. If you live in India but earn in dollars or euros, inflation stops being your enemy and becomes your friend. When the rupee falls, your salary rises. Freelancing, remote work, digital products. The internet removed the borders. If you are still selling your time for depreciating rupees locally, You are choosing to play the game on hard mode. The trap is real. The doors are closing. But now, you have the map. Gold for stability. Bitcoin for escape. Dollar income for growth. The system expects you to stay asleep. Disappoint them. This is WealthWise. Decode the system. Reclaim your freedom.